AI and generative AI, which is Gen AI, are indeed revolutionizing work culture. Enterprises today have an enormous opportunity to embrace emerging technologies, design innovations, and to reimagine the individual's role in physical spaces at work. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI and Gen AI solutions inform new approaches to drive productivity and support employees' upskilling and cross skilling. AI automates repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. Gen AI takes this a step further by generating ideas, designs, and solutions, speeding up the creative process. AI analyzes vast amounts of data to provide insights for decision making. Gen AI can propose alternative scenarios and predict outcomes, empowering teams to make informed choices. AI enables personalized experiences for both employees and customers. Gen AI can create tailored content, products, and services based on individual preferences, enhancing engagement and satisfaction. AI augments human capabilities by providing tools for learning and skill development. Gen AI can act as a mentor, offering guidance and suggestions to improve performance. AI facilitates collaboration to streamline communication and coordination. Gen AI can assist in brainstorming sessions, facilitating ideation and consensus building among team leaders. These technologies are enabling employees to learn new, more seamless, and efficient ways of working. Enterprises already find it difficult to keep pace with the speed and complexity of modern work requirements. At the same time, AI and Gen AI raise ethical concerns regarding privacy, bias, and job displacement. Organizations must implement policies and practices to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI usage. Moving forward, AI and Gen AI have the potential to reshape work culture by enhancing efficiency, collaboration, and innovation while posing challenges that require careful consideration and management. Let's look into today's headlines. Increased UPI payments in India encourage overspending. Experts cautioned against greater overspending as UPI transactions proliferated in India. Impulsive purchases, particularly of expensive goods like gadgets and designer clothes, have increased as a result of the convenience of digital payments through UPI. As 74% of users acknowledged overspending, worries about the long-term financial effects grew. Experts were wary of UPI's popularity despite its convenience. Meesho achieves funding of $275 million. The social commerce platform Meesho has raised $275 million, which is about 27.5 crore rupees, from investors including Prosus and SoftBank. Meesho is valued at $3.9 billion, which is 390 crore rupees, according to the most recent fundraising round, with intentions to raise that amount to 500 to 600 million dollar, which is 50 to 60 crore rupees. Meesho has raised 1.36 billion dollar, which is 136 crore rupees in total since 2015, including secondary. AI users have increased double during the last 6 months. AI usage has significantly increased as evidenced by the 2024 Work Trend Index annual report from Microsoft and LinkedIn, which shows that the number of users has nearly doubled in the last 6 months. In the workplace today, artificial intelligence is being used by about 75% of knowledge workers worldwide. According to the survey, 90% of AI users said that the technology helped them save time. Over 180,000 Indian accounts are banned by X due to policy violations. Nearly 180,000 Indian accounts were recently suspended by X, formerly known as Twitter, for violating rules by posting content related to terrorism and child exploitation. This demonstrated how well the platform followed the safety precautions outlined in IT Regulations 2021. Users are urged to comprehend and abide by rules for a safe online environment as X steps up its enforcement on policy infractions. Class 10 board results for CBSE released today. The Class 10 board results are released today by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE. Candidates can visit results.cbse.nic.in or the official website cbse.gov.in to get their CBSE Class 10 result 2024. DigiLocker also provides access to CBSE Class 10 board results. Students can check their CBSE results by logging in with their ID from their admit card, school number and roll number. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.